So the bottom line here is that I hope that you appreciate and love your family, love your friends, for you guys, love your bros, and acknowledge your mentors and your community because they are very real aspects of everyday life that can make a truly significant positive impact. I'm extremely lucky to have an amazing family who have always supported me throughout my entire life. And I'm also really fortunate to have a really close group of friends at school. But we really enjoy each other's company, and we help each other out when we need to. And we can now mentor younger band members as a single collective unit. What I love about being in a group like the band is that the music that we make together is true, it's genuine, they provide the real positive influences in my life, as I hope that I can provide a positive influence in theirs as well.